We've got something that looks like that. I'm starting over because I broke a bead. So we'll go around. Those crystals are easy to break. That makes the second one I broke. So be careful working next to them. All right. Go around. And we'll go around it till we get close to that crystal, and I think that's it. So I've already broke one. There we go. There's one. Go like this. You'll have it look like that. I wish that silver wire was as soft as that. Okay, I felt a little edge on that. Well, is it? I thought maybe it was bent there for a minute. It didn't want to go through. Well, these are not the best beads. They've got a little bit of a fracture going on. Well, not a fracture, but they're not very uniform. Bend it back. Go around. My sister suggested that I sell these on YouTube, and I don't know. She said set up a shop and sell them on YouTube, but I don't know. I'll have to look into that. Because I don't know exactly. I'm still learning. Let's just put it that way. I'm still learning. It's hard to teach an old dog new tricks. Yeah. I need to learn how to do a giveaway, because I'd like to do one of those. I think it'd be cool. To make something and give it away. I guess as I get more subscribers, and I can do that whenever we hit different milestones, I guess. Maybe give a set of watercolors away or something one time. Depending on the interest. Now we've got this one. A little rough there. Sometimes, I guess it's the way I've cut it. Some of them are rough, and I guess if you flush cut it, it'd be different than if you have it cut on the angle. Put our crystal. I don't know. That one's got. Let's try this one. Okay. Alright. Now. I'm gonna show you how to go around that again. And then I'll be right back. We've got this made so far. I'm going to go ahead and put a jump ring on one end. You twist it open. Like that. Hook it. And twist it back. There. Now, let's make a clasp. Takes my 18 gauge. It's about 2.5 inches long. It's a little bit more than that because it had a bow in it whenever I measured it. Alright, we're going to make a S clasp. First off, let's and this is 18 gauge copper wire. Not sure if it's dead soft or not. I got it at Lowe's Hardware. No, maybe Home Depot. I don't know. Either Home Depot or Lowe's. make a little curl on the end. Make one on the other end, going the other way. And then get us a paintbrush. Oops, went the wrong way. I wasn't looking at my thing. Alright. Take it around with this up. And go around. That's good enough for right now, because we're going to have to adjust it. So go around with this one. So you probably want this 3 inches long. This will be a small clasp. Wrap it around it. Now, tweak it a little bit. And if you're using thinner wire, you could wrap around here and tie it down. But since this is 18 gauge, I'm not doing that. And you can hammer it. I brought my hammer and block back in here, but I don't think I brought my hammer. And just twist it back and wiggle it till you get it where it meets. And then these just hook like this. And there is what I'm assuming is fossil jasper. I'm not sure. I'll try to figure out what it is and put it in the description. Yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this. And until next time, y'all take care out there. Bye-bye.